And that's the first 4 beams painted in a color that I wouldn't choose especially, but I just had to see whatever paint was available here that I could find. Imagine there's a few shopping bags full of paint cans in all different kinds of colors that we brought from the old workshop, and they're somewhere in this big mess and I can't find them, but I found 2 of these DecoCraft, and it's like a petrol blue kind of stuff, a little bit green, a little bit blue. So, and I've got 2 cans of it. I think that's enough for the beams, so that's why they're painted. Now I must say that the paint gun didn't really work out. I mean, you're using so much of that paint, so much is getting lost in the air. I don't know, maybe I do something wrong, or maybe it's just because it was a, you know, a €45 cheap thing that maybe I shouldn't have bought, or maybe it will work with another nozzle. It didn't go through like the second. You've got like 4 options, and the widest nozzle, the paint actually came out, but it's using so much paint that finally in the end we took a big brush and I did the ceiling and Miriam did this wall, and it's all nice white and crisp. And in fact, with this blue, it's actually, yeah, it's brightened up the place. Now I don't know whether I'm going to do the whole workshop like this, because it's going to be different sections. We're going to have storage here, and then this area is like recycling metal stuff. Then where the door is, there's going to be an assembly space, so that's going to stay open. And then the back is going to be woodworking and electronics, you know, making the cigar box guitars and things like that. So that's going to be more like a clean workshop. So maybe I'll just keep the table saw mobile, then I can just put it away and put it in this area in front of the door. Also the planer, because this is about 3 meter, it's almost 4 meter wide, it's not quite 4 meters. So you could actually use, if you need to plane something that's 3 meters long, start outside, inside, or the other way around. So I think that's a good solution, but we'll see. First job is to make storage space, and it needs to be for these crates. So there are going to be, I think, 4 crates on the floor. I bought little casters for them, little wheels, and a Chinese shop here. They're very cheap, but why should you do expensive stuff for storage that you probably see only once a year, I must admit, because it's all stuff that's recyclable projects that are maybe getting done in the coming years. So they're going to be underneath there, so I need to make storage space where they can roll under. Then there's another 4 crates that come on top, and then make this for all the other crates I've got. So that's the next job. So for now, do some woodworking. I didn't do anything. It's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling, and well, I'm using all kinds of paints and I'm using all the old stuff, so yeah, do some recycling. It's an even better way to spend your time. Keep it on a budget, keep it real, and see you all in the next video. At the logo.